Hi, my name is Carmel Turner. I'm a speech-language pathologist with a private practice in downtown Toronto. This is Monday Mouthfuls, Building Vocabulary, Part 2. Last time, we talked about how to use words and phrases to name everything. And naming is great. It is truly a foundation for understanding. To go even deeper, I find that it's helpful to think about naming as part of a narration of your life. Think about what a narrator does for a book or a movie or a play. They don't simply name the individual items. They talk about the connections between the items or actions and locations and feelings that are happening in the story. They help explain what's happening. By naming the things in your environment and narrating your life in many, many different contexts, you help your child expand and deepen their vocabulary. You help them to consider that items have characteristics, shape, size, quantity, that they are made up of parts, and that they belong to categories or they don't belong to other categories. You help them notice the various ways that items are associated with each other, or whether they are the same or similar or opposites. You also help them to understand why, when, and how these words are used across a variety of interactions, and so much more. Narrating doesn't have to stop at using verbal or AAC-based names. You can also use other strategies to really bring your narration to life. Use target words to help you talk through a problem that you're having and the solutions that you're trying to come up with. Show how these words can really help in these kinds of situations. Include objects. Point to or hold an object, and choose between objects to do an action. And do the action that you're naming with the object. And connect new words with ones that your child already knows. This will help your child make more connections between the words that they hear every day. So narration is a great tool for you to help your child understand even more than naming individual items can do. This deepened understanding of words can help your child feel even more confident to use those words verbally themselves or with AAC. So don't forget, be the narrator of your life.